One more hazelnut tart. This time the flavor combo is a hazelnut and caramel, and it's a beginner-friendly recipe that anyone can make. Previous versions were 100% hazelnuts, hazelnut and coffee, and 2 versions of the hazelnut and apricot. As usual, the components are flexible, so you can easily build your own version. This tart has more body for those who prefer sponge-forward dessert rather than a mousse-forward one. So you will need a fully baked tart shell and fully baked sponge. I'm using frangipane today, but not the traditional almond version. I've used toasted hazelnut meal for a deeper flavor. Someone mentioned before that the hazelnut short crust are a great way to use leftover hazelnut meal. This filling is another excellent way to utilize it. Frangipane is a common tart filling, usually added to a half-baked tart shell and baked together until ready. But, as I've shown before, you can bake the filling separately and then assemble the tart, or even use it inside a mousse cake. It's very convenient. You can also bake it together with the tart shell, since the temperature and time are the same. Fully cool it down before assembling. For the bottom layer, I'm going to use my hazelnut gianduja. It helps the sponge adhere to the tart shell and keeps everything stable. You can make gianduja or buy it. You can also skip it and go straight to filling the tart with the mousse. For the mousse, I'm using caramelized white chocolate namelaka. The ratio is the same as my white chocolate namelaka, and you will find the full recipe in the description. Fully whip the namelaka and pipe it into the tart and on top as a decoration. To emphasize the caramel flavor, pipe salted caramel with a round nozzle between the namelaka layers. It adds flavor and creates a beautiful pattern with the different textures and shapes. Put it in the fridge for approximately half an hour just to stabilize it.